good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 8 from verse 16 to verse 21. Where people put lamp. Nobody no light lamp and cover it with one bucket or put it under one bed. Lamp put on where people can see the light when them come in at the house. Nothing no hide when nobody now go know. No secret not there when I go come out in a home. Listen good. Anybody will understand what me teach, I go understand more. But the one them we don't understand, even the sitting them where them think them understand, them not go understand no more. Jesus' mother and brother them. Jesus' mother and brother them come to see him. But sake of the crowd, them couldn't get near him. So somebody tell Jesus, say, your mother and brother them turn up out a door and wait for you. Jesus said to the crowd, say, for me mother and brother, anybody will hear God's word and do what him say them for do. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God